I've worked with literally tens of thousands of entrepreneurs around the world over the last 15 years as an online marketer, educator, trainer, author. And there is one secret ingredient that so many people just don't have. I know if you are one of the 97% of the people that I've worked with, you need some good accountability, external, that help and getting your goals aligned properly and getting into rapid action and consistency. One of our members who has sold a multi-million-dollar business and then a high-level CPA, you know what, both of them as very high achievers, they said, you know what, I need you to push me. I was like, really? Well, I'm more than happy to do that. I have a background as a gymnastics coach for 15 years and happy to oblige. So here's the deal. We have put together here in our community a 10-day accountability boot camp, and it's actually run by my very first online mentoring coach, to whom I owe many thanks for my success. I did come in highly driven and motivated, but I'll tell you what, he tucked me under his arm, put me in his mastermind group, and the rest was history. I did very, very well as a result of that foundation that I had through. His name is Coach Curt. All right, so I'm going to hand it over to Coach Curt to give you the rest of the details of our 10-day accountability boot camp. I want to see you there. We call it kicking your butt. And I think you are just ripe and ready for that, especially if you've made it this far in the video. So on over to Coach Curt.
Hey, thanks, Ann. Coach Curt here. This 10-day boot camp, I want you all to know, though, is not for everybody. If you're sick and tired of trying and buying things that never go anywhere, then this is for you. But more than that, if you're sick and tired of your own excuses for not getting it done, moving forward, doing what you intended to do, then this is for you. 100%. You're going to learn the secrets to setting goals and gaining traction and momentum in your projects. It's not one size fits all. You will determine what you want out of this 10-day accountability bootcamp. But once we do determine that, I will hold you accountable to it, and the old patterns that have thwarted your progress are going to be revealed and overcome for a fresh start. Join me for these 10 business days in a row, and graduates of my boot camp get these personalized dog tags as a reward. But more than that, the reward is you're going to get going in your business like never before. But just know in advance, you may get your butt kicked.